Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea, looking for a bit of plant-based recipe inspiration?
Start with a high-protein pasta as your base and opt for recipes like these.
Creamy pasta with roasted garlic and broccoli. Combine garlic, oil, salt, and pepper, then roast. Melt butter and stir in flour. Whisk in milk, then nutmeg and cheese. Season with salt and pepper. In a separate pot, add roasted garlic, onion, and celery and sauté. Add wine and reduce, then add cooked broccoli and lemon zest. Add sauce and cook pasta, tossing well. Top with additional cheese.
Linguini with eggplant, tomatoes, and chickpeas. Cook eggplant while stirring. Reduce heat, add onions and cook. Add garlic and then chickpeas, tomatoes, pasta water, salt, and pepper. Add cooked pasta to mixture and toss together. Add additional pasta water and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. To serve, top with crumbled ricotta and basil.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.